Have you ever tried to buy Microsoft Office and suddenly realized there are too many versions to choose from? Some people recommend Microsoft 365, others say Office 2021 is enough, and many users are still using older versions without knowing what they're missing. This confusion leads a lot of people to waste money on the wrong software or miss powerful features that could make their work faster and easier. Today, we're going to clear that confusion completely. In this video, I'll explain the full journey of Microsoft Office, from its early desktop versions to modern cloud-based Microsoft 365, in a simple and practical way. We'll break down what each version offers, how they differ, and most importantly, which one is actually best for your needs. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants the smartest value for money, this guide will help you make the right decision. By the end of this video, you won't just understand the differences, you'll know exactly which Microsoft Office version you should choose and why. To understand which Microsoft Office version is best today, we first need to look at how Office evolved over time. Microsoft Office originally started as a simple desktop productivity suite designed for offline work. Early releases like Microsoft Office 95 and Microsoft Office 97 introduced the core applications, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, as software installed from CDs. At that time, the goal was basic productivity, creating documents, spreadsheets, and presentations on a single computer without internet dependence. As technology advanced, versions such as Microsoft Office 2000, Microsoft Office XP, and Microsoft Office 2003 improved performance, added stability, and introduced better compatibility between files. These versions focused on making Office more reliable for businesses and professional environments. However, the biggest turning point came with Microsoft Office 2007, which introduced the ribbon interface. This redesign replaced traditional menus with a visual toolbar system, making advanced tools easier to access and significantly improving workflow efficiency for users. Following this revolution, Microsoft Office 2010, Microsoft Office 2013, and Microsoft Office 2016 marked the beginning of cloud integration. Microsoft started connecting Office with online services, enabling document syncing and early collaboration features. This transition prepared users for a future where files would no longer live only on one computer. Later, Microsoft Office 2019 and Microsoft Office 2021 refined the traditional one-time purchase model, offering modern performance improvements while maintaining offline functionality. Today, the evolution reaches its most advanced stage with Microsoft 365, which transforms Office from static software into a continuously updated cloud ecosystem. Instead of installing a fixed version and keeping it unchanged for years, users now access a platform that evolves with new features, security updates, and collaboration tools. This timeline shows a clear shift. Microsoft Office has moved from isolated desktop software to a connected productivity environment designed for teamwork, mobility, and long-term adaptability. Understanding this evolution is important because it explains why modern versions work differently and why choosing the right version can significantly impact how efficiently you work. Now let's focus on the modern center of Microsoft's ecosystem, Microsoft 365. Microsoft 365 is not just another version of Office. It represents a complete shift in how productivity software works. Instead of buying software once and keeping the same features for years, Microsoft 365 operates on a subscription model. This means you pay a monthly or yearly fee and always receive the newest updates automatically. In simple terms, it works like a streaming subscription, but for productivity tools. You are always using the latest version without needing to purchase upgrades separately. Microsoft 365 includes all the core applications people rely on every day: Word for documents, Excel for spreadsheets, PowerPoint for presentations, Outlook for email management, and OneNote for note-taking. But what truly separates Microsoft 365 from older Office versions is its deep cloud integration. Subscribers receive built-in OneDrive cloud storage, which allows files to sync automatically across devices. You can start editing a document on your computer, continue on a tablet, and review it on your phone without manually transferring files. This seamless syncing creates a flexible workflow that fits modern, multi-device lifestyles. Another major strength of Microsoft 365 is real-time collaboration. Multiple users can work on the same document simultaneously, seeing each other's edits instantly. This feature is especially valuable for students working on group projects and teams collaborating in professional environments. In addition, Microsoft 365 includes AI-powered assistance tools that help with writing suggestions, data analysis, and presentation design. These intelligent features save time and improve productivity, especially for advanced users who rely on automation and smart recommendations. Microsoft 365 also offers strong security and automatic maintenance. Updates happen in the background, ensuring that users always have the latest protection against vulnerabilities. The platform is designed to work smoothly across multiple devices, including Windows PCs, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. This multi-device ecosystem makes Microsoft 365 ideal for people who switch between devices during the day. Because of this combination of cloud access, collaboration tools, AI features, and automatic updates, Microsoft 365 is best suited for students, professionals, content creators, and businesses that depend on flexibility and teamwork. It supports both beginners who want simple access to essential apps and advanced users who need powerful tools and continuous improvements. Understanding how Microsoft 365 works is crucial, because it represents the direction modern productivity software is heading: connected, intelligent, and always evolving. Now that we understand how Microsoft 365 works, the next important question is how it compares to Microsoft Office 2021, because this is where most buying decisions happen. The biggest difference between the two is the pricing model. Office 2021 follows a one-time purchase system. You pay once, install it on your computer, and own that version permanently. Microsoft 365, on the other hand, is subscription-based, meaning you pay regularly but always receive the newest features and updates. At first glance, Office 2021 may seem cheaper because it requires only a single payment, but the long-term value depends on how you use your software. Another key difference is how updates work. Office 2021 receives security patches but no major feature upgrades. What you install today is essentially what you will keep using for years. Microsoft 365 continuously evolves. Subscribers automatically receive new tools, performance improvements, and interface upgrades as soon as Microsoft releases them. This means Microsoft 365 users always stay current with modern productivity features, while Office 2021 users work with a fixed feature set. Device access is another major comparison point. Office 2021 is typically licensed for a single computer, which makes it suitable for users who work on only one device. Microsoft 365 supports multiple devices under one subscription, allowing you to use the same account across PCs, laptops, tablets, and phones. This flexibility is important for people who switch between devices or work remotely. The workflow style also differs significantly. Office 2021 is primarily offline software. You can use it without internet access, which is useful for users who prefer a traditional desktop workflow. Microsoft 365 blends offline capability with strong cloud integration. Files automatically sync through cloud storage, enabling real-time collaboration and easy sharing. For teams and students working on shared projects, this cloud-focused workflow offers clear advantages. When considering long-term cost and practicality, Microsoft 365 often provides greater overall value for active users. Although it involves recurring payments, it includes continuous upgrades, cloud storage, and multi-device access. Office 2021 is a strong choice for users who want a stable, subscription-free setup and primarily work alone on a single computer. Practical examples make this clearer. A student collaborating on assignments benefits more from Microsoft 365, while a home user who writes occasional documents may be satisfied with Office 2021. Understanding these differences helps you match the software to your real needs instead of choosing based only on price. Now that we've compared the major options, the next step is choosing the right version based on how different people actually use Microsoft Office in real life. For students, the best choice is usually Microsoft 365 because modern education depends heavily on collaboration and cloud access. Students often work on shared assignments, switch between school and home devices, and need automatic backups to avoid losing work. Microsoft 365 provides cloud storage, real-time collaboration, and access across multiple devices, which makes studying more flexible and efficient. Many educational institutions also offer discounted or free Microsoft 365 plans for students, increasing its value even further. For professionals and office workers, Microsoft 365 is also the strongest option. Work environments require constant updates, advanced Excel capabilities, secure email integration, and seamless teamwork. Businesses rely on shared documents, synchronized calendars, and strong security protections. Microsoft 365 supports these needs through automatic updates, collaboration tools, and centralized management features. Professionals benefit from always having the latest tools without worrying about manual upgrades or compatibility issues. Casual or home users may have different priorities. If someone primarily writes documents, manages simple spreadsheets, and works on a single computer without needing cloud collaboration, Microsoft Office 2021 can be a practical and cost-effective choice. A one-time purchase eliminates subscription payments and provides stable offline functionality. However, users should understand that this version will not receive major feature upgrades over time. For businesses and advanced teams, Microsoft 365 offers the most complete ecosystem. It supports multi-user collaboration, centralized security controls, and scalable cloud infrastructure. Organizations can manage permissions, protect sensitive data, and coordinate teamwork more efficiently. These features make Microsoft 365 the preferred platform for modern workplaces that depend on connected workflows. When making a decision, it's also important to avoid common mistakes. Some users choose very old Office versions to save money, but outdated software can create compatibility problems and security risks. Others buy subscriptions without using the advanced features, which leads to unnecessary expenses. The key is matching your software to your actual needs. Collaboration and flexibility favor Microsoft 365, while simple offline work may justify Office 2021. By understanding your workflow and priorities, you can choose confidently and avoid wasting money. After exploring the evolution of Microsoft Office, the modern features of Microsoft 365, and the practical buying guide, we can now reach a clear final verdict. For the majority of users today, Microsoft 365 is the best overall choice. It offers the strongest combination of security, continuous feature updates, cloud integration, and multi-device flexibility. Modern computing is increasingly connected and collaborative, and Microsoft 365 is designed specifically for that environment. Automatic updates ensure that users always stay protected and productive without needing to manually upgrade their software. The most important takeaway is to make a future-proof decision. Technology continues to move toward connected ecosystems and cloud-based workflows. Instead of focusing only on immediate cost, consider how the software will support your productivity in the long term. The key lesson is simple. Choosing the right Office version is not just about price. It's about understanding your workflow, your devices, and how you plan to work in the future. When you understand these differences, you stop guessing and start making confident, informed decisions. If this guide helped you understand Microsoft Office more clearly, make sure to like the video and comment below with your questions or experiences. Your feedback helps improve future tutorials and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.